Oh.
You go really slow.
Yeah, I've got it set on it because I have to run it slow because I can't handle it going fast.
I put it on the fastest it'll go.
Yeah, well, you're just a speed demon. Yeah.
Well, I've done it a little longer than you have.
Yes.
I've done sewing a little longer. You'll get to where you want to do it faster.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And then do I want to do this?
You do. I see.
Okay. Excellent.
Look at you.
I'm getting there. All right. Now I won't have any excuses for darning my own clothes or sewing my own clothes.
That's right.
Hang on here.
So do you like the ironing part?
I don't know if I like the ironing part, but it's a necessary evil.
Should push it all one way.
Ah,
Whichever
yeah,
way
that's
you
right.
go.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, sir. That's the first one.
It's almost easier with those bigger pieces, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Last seam.
Yes.
Mr. Perfection.
Well,
Likes it to be right on.
Well, you'll be a good quilter because it's all about getting everything even and
my grandpa was a gardener,
Uh-huh.
and we were growing up, and he once said, if you're going to do something, you might as well do it right to begin
Right
with.
the first time, yeah.
Yeah, and that was always, because he'd go around he could see people with other gardeners and how they did it.
Right.
But when you went by his places, you knew
That was his
him,
place.
yeah.
Uh-oh.
But he was
Got it
always,
honestly.
he says, if you're going to do it, might as well do it right.
And then you don't have to redo it.
Exactly.
Yeah. My daddy was a handle it once kind of a guy too.
Uh-huh.
Like, don't pick it up and hand it to somebody else. Just take it to the pile.
Yes.
So I always got that from him. Like, just handle it once. So our
Slow it down if you want to stop it.
Yeah.
And change
I'm getting-
things. Stop it.
It's getting way off. There we go.
Yeah. Last stitch of
Yeah.
your quilt top.
Yes. Mamma mia.
Yay!
Oh,
on the top before I show it to you.
yeah.
Ready? All right, this is yours, Richard.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is so cool.
Look what you did.
Well, with your help.
Look what you did. That's because I'm the teacher.
Uh,
But you're the student and you did it.
yes.
It
All
looks
you need to do is trim off this edge and you'll be ready.
Okay, now what did you say? I need to trim that off?
Yeah, we just have a few pieces.
Okay, how do
They're little.
we do this then?
Well, that's the fun part actually.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put this in the middle. You won't, and it doesn't matter which is top or bottom, but
Yeah.
I'll just stick that there. So we started all of our sewing, so these are all nice and even.
Okay.
But these, we have some little bits of things that are uneven.
Yes.
So I just choose a seam, like one of these that we sewed,
Yes.
and then we just lay it on the cutting table, and then we're gonna find the shortest one and trim to that. So we can do it on the cutting table,
So you can find the shortest
on
chain.
this line. So
And
we're
then
just
I
gonna
have a double,
create
and I'll have a different glue.
a line that we can
Page,
see.
and I want two of them. So spread them. Yeah.
This line is what we're gonna cut on. Or we can kind of sneak a peek under there, make sure we're doing it right. All right, so you can start cutting about here and go up, and then we'll slide it down.
Okay.
All right,
Whoops.
all right. So push it, there you go. We'll just slide it down, back to that line, and trim up the rest. Well, you're probably gonna, there's a little bit down there just in case. There you go. Perfect. Now you're squared up.
All
You're
right.
ready for backing and batting and binding.